Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a simple, natural way to boost your health, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the 5 hidden benefits of eating beetroot every day. Let's get started. First up, beetroot can significantly boost your exercise performance. Beetroots are high in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This helps widen your blood vessels, allowing more oxygen to reach your muscles during physical activity. As a result, you'll experience less fatigue and perform better in your workouts. Whether you're running, lifting weights, or doing yoga, adding beetroot to your diet can enhance your endurance and help you recover faster. Another hidden benefit of beetroot is that it supports liver health. Beets contain a compound called betaine, which helps stimulate the liver to detoxify and remove harmful substances from your body more efficiently. Regular consumption of beetroot can support the liver's natural detoxification process and protect it from oxidative stress. This makes beetroot an excellent food for maintaining a healthy liver and ensuring your body's detox systems are working properly. Now let's talk about digestion. Beetroot is a great source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining healthy digestion. The fiber in beets helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. By feeding the good bacteria in your intestines, beetroot helps maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which is crucial for overall digestive health. Eating beetroot regularly can keep your digestive system functioning smoothly and leave you feeling more energized and lighter. Beetroot also has a remarkable ability to lower blood pressure. The high nitrate content in beets helps relax and widen your blood vessels, which improves blood flow and reduces blood pressure levels. This can be especially beneficial for people dealing with hypertension or those at risk of developing high blood pressure. By drinking beetroot juice or eating it regularly, you're helping to keep your blood pressure in check, supporting heart health, and reducing the risk of cardiovascular problems. Finally, beetroot can enhance brain function. The nitrates in beetroot don't just benefit your heart and muscles, they also improve blood flow to your brain. This increased blood flow helps improve cognitive function, boost memory, and enhance focus. Studies suggest that regularly eating beetroot may even delay age-related cognitive decline, keeping your mind sharp as you get older. If you want to stay mentally clear and focused, especially as you age, adding beetroot to your diet is a simple yet effective way to boost brain health. So there you have it, 5 hidden benefits of eating beetroot every day. From improving your exercise performance and supporting liver health to enhancing digestion, lowering blood pressure, and boosting brain function, beetroot is a powerhouse food that offers a wide range of health benefits. It's versatile too. You can enjoy it in juices, smoothies, salads, or even roasted. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with how you like to eat beetroot. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.